Soon you'll be upgrading from your current iPad Air to a new 5th generation iPad. This video will help you transfer as many of your documents, photos, and app data as possible from your old iPad to your new one. Please be aware that not all apps will back up. Progress in some apps may be lost. Students grades K through 5 will have their data backups done by our IT staff. Backed up data will be available in the Google Drive and Google Photos apps within 5 school days of receiving a new iPad. Game data and levels will not transfer. Students grades 6 through 12 will be responsible for following the instructions in this video to back up their data and photos to Google Drive and Google Photos, as well as retrieving their data from those services. We will not be using iCloud to back up your iPad because of technical issues with how our apps are purchased and assigned to your devices. We will also be switching to managed Apple IDs. First, update to the latest version of iOS by going to Settings, General, and Software Update. You'll tap Download and Install. Your iPad will need to have at least 50% battery or be plugged in to complete the update. This update may take up to 45 minutes. If the update won't download, check how much space is left on your iPad in the Settings app under General and iPad Storage. This list will show you which apps use the most space and when you last used them. You can free up space by deleting unneeded videos or unused apps. Now that your iPad is on the latest version of iOS, open the Google Photos app and sign in with your school Google account. If you've deleted the Google Photos and Google Drive apps, please go to the self-service store and download them again. Allow Google access to your photos. Do not allow it to send you notifications. And leave notifications off. Make sure the Backup and Sync button is checked blue and choose High Quality, Free Unlimited Storage. High Quality is slightly lower quality than original, but it is free and does not count against your Google Drive storage limits. Now tap Sign in to Backup. Continue, and enter your Google information. After you finish signing into Google Drive, all of your photos and videos should automatically start backing up. This may take a while if you have a lot of photos and videos. After you've finished with Google Photos, open the Google Drive app and type Sign in the lower left corner. Sign in using your school account and then close out of the Google Drive app by hitting the Home button. Next, go to the Files app. It looks like a blue file folder. Turn your iPad landscape format like mine is, so the screen is wider than it is tall. On the left-hand side, you'll see a column that says Locations with iCloud Drive, Drive, On My iPad, and Recently Deleted. Tap on the On My iPad tab. Here you'll see all the files that are saved in folders on your iPad. Press and hold on one of the folders. You'll see a pop-up menu. Tap Copy, then tap on your Google Drive, press and hold anywhere on the screen, and tap Paste. This will add the file to your Google Drive. Go back to the On My iPad tab and repeat this step until all of your files have been copied over to your Google Drive. After receiving your new iPad, you can retrieve your files and put them back on your iPad if you like by going into Google Drive and copying them back to the On My iPad tab. If you use apps such as Notability, Explain Everything, Book Creator, Notate Me Now, Stop Motion Studio, or Evernote that save data directly on your iPad, you must manually back up the data in those apps. Here's how you do it. For Notability, tap the Share Sheets button. It's the square with the arrow pointing out of it in the top left corner. Select the note that you want to back up to Google Drive and tap the Share button again. You can choose which service you'd like to back it up to. I'm going to back up to Google Drive. You can choose the folder and the format that you like and then click Send to Drive. you'll need to sign into your Google account to connect Notability to your Google Drive. Notability also gives you the option to make regular scheduled backups to Google Drive. To do this, tap the gear in the lower left corner. Tap Auto Backup and tap Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do so now. If you are currently working on an iMovie or GarageBand project that you need to continue editing, please let us know at the time of turning in your iPad, and our IT staff will help you airdrop your project files from your old iPad to your new one for later editing. Please only request this if you have an active project such as History Day or a class assignment. Please start backing up your files as soon as possible and continue to do regular backups once you get your new iPad so your files are available if you break or lose an iPad and need a replacement device. Last, you'll fill out the iPad turn-in card and place it inside your old iPad case when you turn in your iPad. Our IT staff will have your new iPad set up for you on your scheduled trade-in day. When you receive your new iPad, you will need to set up a new passcode, re-download some of your apps, as well as sign into eTextbooks, Google Photos, and Google Drive to access your backup files, photos, and videos.